is up, YouTube? It's your boy King of Visuals back with another video. In today's video, guys, we are doing something special. We are diving for the first time in Lightroom Mobile, which we did not do on this channel. All the tutorials we made were about Photoshop and Lightroom uh, desktop or laptop version. But now we are diving into a more mobile style of editing on the go and much easier too. And for this first video, I wanted to show you guys a tool that is present on the PC version of Lightroom, which is the Select Sky, and how you can use it to fix badly exposed images. So without further ado, I would say let's hop right into it. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be another series that I'm going to make consistently about Lightroom Mobile, because Lightroom Mobile is an app that is available on the App Store and on the Google Play Store, which is much more available to other people if you want to kind of get into photo editing. So let's get into it. Here we are inside of Lightroom Mobile. As you can see, this is the picture that we are going to be working with, which is not really that goodly exposed. As you can see, the foreground is very dark. So what I'm going to first do is hit this little circle on the right top corner of my screen. And you will see different tools will pop up. Next thing you want to do is hit on the plus button and choose the select sky option. Now note that this option is only available to people who have the premium version of Lightroom, to the people who are paying a subscription. So as you can see now, the selection is finished, and the thing is, like I said, this tool is kind of an easy giveaway to edit different parts of your image. Now, what we want to do is select the foreground, and all we are going to do is hit this little rectangle and with a circle in it, which says invert. And as you can see, the selection has been inverted to the foreground. Next thing we want to do is add some highlights and um, some exposure by clicking on the exposure on the right top corner of my screen. Now, the all the adjustments that I'm going to bring into the image are only going to apply to the selection. As you can see, I'm dialing in a little bit more shadow, and you can see only the foreground is kind of changing. So let's add a little bit of shadow. Let's pump up the exposure a little bit, and let's finish it up by validating the settings. And as you can see, there is a lot of noise since the image was a little bit underexposed. So what we are going to do is scroll down to this little triangle here and pump up this noise reduction a little bit. Let's hit about 35. Let's see. This should be about this should be about right. Yes. And here is your final before and after. As you can see, a nice and easy tool to use. As you can see, guys, Lightroom Mobile is also packed with a lot of features that you can really use to alleviate your editing style. And you can also expand your knowledge on Lightroom Mobile by looking up on tutorials in the app itself, which is very helpful. I hope you found this tutorial really helpful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already. Hopefully we can grow together, make a community where we help each other and share some video and photo editing tips. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.